Hey guys, so I got a pair of shoes because I needed new ones and I wanted to share with you them because I thought they were so adorable, and I got them from Journeys, I do believe. So let's see what I got and how they are. Okay, so I got me a new pair of Vans. So I'm not like a specific person to like a specific brand, but I saw these and I thought, oh, these are so me. So, oh, it's cute. They even give you the like actual receipt and everything, like you went to the store. Journeys. Aw, it was hand-packed by Mo. Isn't that cute? Okay, so these guys, I saw them, had to have them, mostly because I needed a new pair, and they are called patchwork shoes. So you got different textures, different fabrics. They're really, really cute. I like them. I got mine in a size 7.5 or 6 in men's, because that's how their sizing goes. Each shoe, I think, is identical as far as the patchwork are. No, each shoe is different. So this is the left, this is the right. Let me actually hold them in the right orientation. There you go. Left, right. There you go. The left one has blue and like little basket weaves with daisies, and then like a bunch of different like daisies and stuff like that going around it with more blue. And then the other one has paisley and more daisy patchworks and then like checkered kind of plaid situation. I love these because I wear mismatched clothes, mismatched socks, all sorts of different things. So for me, it kind of just goes with my aesthetic of everything doesn't need to match. So I love these very, very much. I haven't tried them on. I literally pulled them out of the box just to show you guys right here. But let me go grab a pair of socks and see if they fit. Ooh.
Notice on Instagram, if I post a picture of working on my corner, if I hashtag every
By mismatched socks, I literally mean mismatched socks because that's the only ones I could find. That's why I wear them that way, because I can only find one of one and one of the other because reasons. Yeah. Alrighty. If you guys hear any talking, that's my husband on a live stream. You probably heard it in some of my other videos, assuming that you can even hear it. Alright, so right off the bat, a little annoyed. This one was lazily put on. Like, I get it. Everyone only wants to try the left shoe, but some of us actually want both shoes to be laced. So now we get to lace up the shoe just for the sake of trying it. And I'll do a better lace job later. This is just to get it on. Random few things that I'm particular about. Having my shoe laced is one of them. Isn't that weird? You can like not care about most things, and like your shoe not being tied a specific way like just drive you bonkers. Okay, let's get the little sticker off of there. Put you on the backs. Okay. Now, I have never tried these on prior to buying them. I literally bought them offline.
probably why they call it hashtag, because it doesn't sound so offensive.
Ow. Okay, so right off the bat, they are a little snug. I wouldn't say tight, definitely say snug. And the way that they're laced up and the way I chose to also lace them up did not help matters one little bit. The one cute thing is that this pattern right here is the tongue of the other shoe, and then this pattern right here is the tongue of this shoe, which is kind of neat. The bottoms are just kind of your average everyday checkered feel. I'm pretty sure you saw that as I struggle to put shoes on.
And you could even do it after. Just go to one of your photos and put in the comment under that photo, put at and that tool brand. And
Whoop. Watch out, little one. Alright, so these are them on right there. They fit pretty nicely. I don't have any like issues in the toe area. I got at least this whole finger section here or so worth of wiggle room across the toes. Excuse the mess. Oh, what's that? So yeah, they look pretty neat on. They feel pretty comfortable. They got slight arch support there a little bit. Doesn't fit on my arch, but they're pretty nice. All in all considered. So yeah, I like them. Alright, well I just wanted to show you guys my shoes. That way in case somebody else wanted to see them or get them, if you're in the market for looking for shoes. This is literally like my first impressions of wearing them, so you guys are all cattywampus. So I have really no real feedback as far as other than they feel nice. They were hard to get on for the very first time, but they are tied funny. They don't seem to hurt right away or anything. They're not like overly tight. Oh, they do come off pretty easy. So hold on. So that's kind of nice if you just slip your shoes off and stuff like that like I do and everything like that. The inside is just a standard white cream bit plain color, so there's no fanciness to that. But yeah, all in all, I think that the shoe is very nice, well constructed, it fits very well, so I guess my size correctly, considering some sizes are different in shoes for brands, you know. So like you might be a 7 in one brand and an 8 in another and a 7.5, and then randomly for no reason you're like a 6.5 or a 9. So that's been pretty nice to actually have consistent shoes so far. The packaging that they came in, besides the Vans box, was a plastic little baggie just to conceal what was inside, which came with a shipping envelope and I'm assuming a return slip as well. They had the cute little hand packed by so-and-so on first store or such and such, so I think that's a cute little touch considering everything nowadays is kind of like, oh, hands-free and whatnot, so I think that's nice. I did like the fact that I bought them one day, which I think was a Friday, and I literally got them the next day. Like, I got them Saturday. It's Sunday now, so I've had them for at least a day, but it was like very fast shipping. I do have a few stores near me. They're not like super close, but they're close enough. So these guys came out of Tempe for me because I live in Arizona, and I got them Saturday morning at like 11 o'clock, so that was kind of neat. The bad thing was I was at work when that happened, so I had to wait until I got home to even see them, let alone have the package in my hand. So the entire time I was at work in slippers, which was actually kind of funny because we're not supposed to be at work in slippers, but I had other things I had to do that morning and I forgot to put my old shoes back on. So there's that. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around and unboxing my shoes with me. I will give you guys updates if you want on them. I'm going to post like photos and stuff like that in my Instagram. I do believe if you go into my actual Facebook, or not Facebook, YouTube, like profile area where you see all the videos and different things like that, it should have links to those places. But if you guys want to follow me on Instagram or anything like that, then you can just let me know and I will show you what my thing is so you can follow me. So thank you guys for watching and I appreciate it so much. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!